So we just got to Hungary from Croatia. We're driving through quite quickly to get to Romania. But yeah, we just got through the border and we thought we'd start our vlog. So we just got out of a restaurant in Hungary. We stopped to get some food because we were pretty starving and we aren't going to get to our camper stop till quite late. Anyways, we stopped. The restaurant looked cool. It was looked really nice, good reviews, plus it was so cheap, like ridiculously cheap. So I ordered some pasta and it had like the menu in Hungarian, German and English. So I ordered some pasta and then it came and I was eating it and I was like, I think this has meat in it. So I asked Myron, does this have meat in it? And he tried it and he was pretty sure it did as well. It was real small pieces, so it was hard to tell. It just had this like flavor in the texture and I was like, no, this definitely has got like a piece of bacon or something maybe. So I ate a piece of bacon. Anyway, so then I asked the waiter and they didn't really speak English, so I tried to translate on my phone and he, you know, got that I wanted something no meat. I think he got that anyway. So anyway, he goes back, he says at 3 minutes another dish will come. So we waited probably like 10-15 minutes. Another dish came and it had huge chunks of chicken in it. So I don't know if he didn't get what I meant or if the kitchen didn't, like if they thought I was saying there's not enough meat, or if like maybe they don't view chicken as a meat. So, and then I just sent that one back as well, and then I just ordered a margarita pizza because I was like, I can't do this, I can't get a third dish that has meat in it. And looking at the menu again when I ordered the pizza, like the translation for the pasta was so much shorter than what it was in Hungarian. So yeah, I think they missed a few key ingredients off the English translation. So that was a bit of an experience, wasn't it? We ended up being at this restaurant way longer than we wanted to, so it's going to take us a while to get all the way through Hungary today. Just in Hungary and we noticed Tesco. We're just coming up to our second border crossing of the day, going from Hungary to Romania. It looks like it's just open, maybe? All passports, cars. Oh, again, there's another one further up. Got your passport ready?
Yeah, passports, ownership papers.
He doesn't know where they are. I've got them.
So this is a train stop in Romania. There's no barriers or lights or anything. There's just a stop sign that randomly comes and then you see the train tracks and here's the train about to come through.
Or at least they toot.
Yeah, and it's going real slow.
Yeah. Thank God that guy was stopped there though, because that made us like real aware to it. Because even the stop sign doesn't have a light in front of it or anything, so you like, I don't know, you really have to be looking for it.
It is very dark.
So dark, yeah.
Wow.
We've just driven a couple of hours to get to this waterfall and it is tiny, absolutely tiny. It's still cool looking. It's like real unique looking, but it is tiny. We're a bit tired and grumpy because we just realised we have no Romanian money, so we can't like pay for parking or anything. Absolute idiots. We realised like an hour ago, but then there was like no ATMs along the way. And Myron's been driving a lot the last few days. He's a bit tired.
The roads are chaotic and you gotta be constantly watching out for head-ons or huge holes.
But we're here, so we're gonna see it tonight rather than tomorrow, and then keep driving so we can find somewhere to sleep and get some cash out urgently. So this is it. I'm trying to like show you with Myron in it, like how it's not very big. All the photos we've seen must have been from like way down below and kind of shoot up, so it looks a lot bigger. It's still cool, like it's real unique looking with the moss like that, but it is very small. I kind of expected to have to look up to see it. So we've seen the waterfall and now we're gonna go look for somewhere to sleep, and we're feeling really tired and just really kind of stressed out and grumpy. This is kind of the realities of van life. Some nights we're more sorted, other nights we're not, but usually in the countries we've found so far, like even if we're not sorted, there's always somewhere nearby. But Romania is a really rural country, really underdeveloped country, I guess, in terms of motorhomes and infrastructure like that, I guess. And yeah, we're just tired and we just really need somewhere to sleep, and we really haven't planned this through. But yeah, that's just the reality. Sometimes van life can be a bit tricky. You don't know where you're staying every night like you would if you were in hotels or if you were just living at home. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.